In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes from team members in Stack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to confirm what changed, who changed it, and when it happened, so your team can stay aligned and confident you're working from the latest information. Start by logging into Stack. Make sure you're in the correct company workspace and that your internet connection is stable, so everything loads quickly and accurately. Once you're in, open your project. Pick the job where the document, plan, or drawing you want to review is stored. Keeping projects clearly named helps here, especially if you manage multiple jobs or versions. Next, click on the Documents tab. This is the central place where your plans, drawings, and related files live. Think of it as your organized library for everything that feeds your takeoffs and collaboration. From here, look for the specific document, plan, or drawing you want to check. Scan the folder structure and file names your team uses. Consistent naming, like including sheet numbers or dates, makes it much easier to zero in on the right file, especially when schedules are tight and updates are frequent. When you've located the file, right-click on it. On a touch device, a long press works the same way. You'll see a quick menu appear with actions you can take on that item. Choose View Revisions. This opens the file's revision history, which is where Stack really shines. Stack automatically manages drawing versions and change histories, creating a clear, built-in audit trail for plan revisions. You'll see a chronological list that shows each version, who uploaded it, and when it was added. The most recent version is typically at the top, so you can confirm at a glance that you're using the latest set. Use this view to understand the story of the document. When a revision was introduced, who on your team provided it, and any notes that accompany the update. This is especially helpful when a new detail affects quantities, scope, or coordination with other trades. If your team follows consistent revision labeling, you can match what you see here to the title block on the sheet for quick verification. That's all you need to track changes in Stack. Log in, open your project, go to Documents, find the file, right-click, and select View Revisions. With Stack automatically maintaining that audit trail, you'll always have a reliable record of updates, making your reviews faster and your decisions more confident.